I'm definitely a fighter. I don't know how to quit. My daughter, Skylar, was 8 when I got cancer. My son, Caden, was 7, and my daughter, Ava, was 4. I was on a job, I fell to my knees, my heart went tachycardic. I made it to an urgent care, and they told me, you've got a tumor probably the size of a football in your chest. After chemo, radiation, I just start over. The economy tanked. That crushed my business. But I just refused to let that slow me down. Took me about 6 months to recover, got my business going again, got to a point where everything's going well. Then my heart just gave out. The heart failure just took everything out of me. My body basically was nothing but bone and fluid. By the time I made it to the first hospital, they couldn't even do anything for me. I met a cardiologist and she said there was a chance they could give me an LVAD. But she told me that they didn't know if I could even make it through the surgery. I remember saying to her, if you guys take a chance on me, I won't let you down. I'll make it. The HeartMate 3, it gave me my life back. I walked a half marathon, 13 miles, with an LVAD. No problem at all. Before the HeartMate 3, I couldn't walk up a flight of stairs. After I got it, I ran a 5K. I like achieving things when people think I can't. I like doing the impossible. I play golf. I lift weights. I do everything I want to do. And the LVAD gave me the opportunity to restart my business and take care of my children. I physically work, do painting, I do framing, we hang drywall. I'm doing the physical labor myself. The LVAD has made all that possible. I'm able to go golf with my daughter. I'm able to go play tennis with my daughter. The time I've been given to spend with my kids it's a gift from God. Going through all these health challenges for 15, 16 years, the one thing I could not accept was leaving them without a father. And thank God the LVAD gave me that another opportunity to keep going forward. The HeartMate 3 will allow you to live a normal life. You gotta trust the pump. It's gonna take you to the finish line. It's gonna get you home.